Put that phone away. I'll get your phone. And I'll get your phone. Okay, they're all on. They're all on. So, like, you guys gonna make sure that you touch that button together, okay?
Okay.
Mine's recording already. Yeah. If you don't press.
Mine has no battery, so
Okay. So you'll get this email address and you'll exchange. So what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? You're gonna push this button together. It's blinking. You'll pull it out. Look, push it together. If it gets stuck, if you press it twice, it's gonna be like push it again. All the attention is forward. At some point, they tap you on the shoulder. You turn around, take a picture of the media guy in the back. Yeah, just gonna do it. Sorry. Excuse me. They're with us.
They're good?
You guys follow me, okay? So you're gonna get to the back.